pressure.
Hi everybody, it's Andrew here at Factory Outlet Trailers. I wanted to show you one of the coolest neat features that we have on some of our trailers here with the Canada Trailers dump trailer. Every Canada Trailers dump comes with a wireless remote. So whether you're solo operation, you're working by yourself, spreading gravel and you're in the cab of the truck, or if you're just going to the dump and you don't want to be stuck in the mud, you can open the doors, back up to the pile, raise the bed up from your truck. You don't have to be out and next to the trailer with it. So yeah, that's one of our features on our trailers here at Factory Outlet. Give us a call at the number on the screen if you have any other questions. Thank you.